This property is presented by Jessica Magaha with First City Property Group. Powered by Platinum Realty. Please call 913-748-6213 with any questions. To schedule a tour. Or for more information about getting your home on the market and sold. Charming two-story home features hardwood floors throughout the main level, fresh interior paint and brand new carpet throughout. This home boasts a very comfortable main level floor plan with updated granite countertops and cabinetry in the kitchen. Huge master bedroom with a walk-in closet that will not disappoint and an ensuite with dual vanities, shower and large whirlpool tub. Lower level boasts non-conforming 5th bedroom west/full bathroom ensuite, plus a large rec room area and storage. The backyard will be the perfect place to hang out on your 2-tier deck. You do not want to miss this one.